let's bring you the very latest on that earthquake which has hit Japan. Initially thought to be 7.3, now 6.9. There's the shaking. Yeah, the significance of this, of course, is that it happened just off the Fukushima prefecture of Fukushima, the site of one of the world's worst nuclear disasters. And a tsunami warning was instantly issued, largely for Japan's northeastern Pacific coast. That tsunami has now hit Fukushima. The power company which owns the plant has been checking for damage. That's the very latest we've had. Well, still